Every day hides a story, some forgotten, some that change everything. On October 23, 1942, during World War II, the Battle of El Alamein started in Egypt between Allied and Axis forces. It became the turning point, the beginning of the end for Nazi Germany in North Africa. On October 23, 1915, more than 25,000 women marched in New York City, demanding the right to vote, one of the largest suffrage demonstrations in U.S. history. On October 23, 2001, Apple introduced the first iPod, revolutionizing how people listen to music. On October 23, 1983, this showed the tragic aftermath of the bombing of the U.S. Marine and barracks in Beirut. The scale and devastation are very apparent in the rubble, rescue efforts, and smoke cloud images.